Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to compare two project softwares. First one is Procore and the second one is CoConstruct. We will go through pros and cons, some pricing plans, and also we'll try to find out which one is better at the end of this video, at least at my opinion. So let's go and let's start straight away with Procore. Procore is a cloud-based construction management software that is designed for a variety of construction firms, such as engineering firms, architectural and designing firms, office buildings, industrial plants, retail centers, universities, general construction management firms, as well as specialty subcontractors. It enables the users in associating on product and increases efficiency by strengthening communication among the co-workers through sharing documents, graphics, RFIs, schedules, contracts, submittals, etc. This project data can be edited and shared from the job site so that the firm owners can keep an eye on the workflow. All the project docs can be accessed from any web-connected device. To the pricing plans of Procore, they may vary, but let's check at least these three bundles. First one starts at $667 a month, which is basically the basic version if you are a smaller company. Then there is Manage Project and Financials for $870 and the Maximize for $1,182. I wouldn't say they are the most cheapest ones. Overall, with Procore, I would say Procore is the best one that you can get or you can buy. You can make sure of your decision by getting a demo, and they have 24/7 call line, so you can call them to the support anytime you want. It works on Android and iOS as well, so you don't have to fear about anything. There are you can check the site for additional info, but I will say that Procore is the best one yet. That you can get a little bit more expensive, but it's not the worst one. We can now talk about CoConstruct. It's a build for home builders and remodelers to help them coordinate projects, communicate with their crew, and manage finances. The software lets users coordinate the project by allowing them to keep track of their to-dos, coordinate schedules with the field and office, make selection easy, share files and photos, finish strong with warranty and punch list, streamline bidding, track job site activity and progress, and also simplify their timesheet management. CoConstruct's inbuilt template creator helps reduce the decision-making time, which is typically involved in landing new projects while increasing user specification and estimations. Communication with clients and crew is easier since the software allows users to manage and track leads, make selections easy, streamline bidding, effortless proposals, customization of company's branding, and feed information-hungry clients. The software enables users to control their finances with inbuilt features like single entry estimating, budget and forecast project costs, invoices, purchases order, integration with the according system, cost catalog, and more. CoConstruct is also available as a mobile app for easy usage in the field. I would say the CoConstruct can enjoy like bigger variety of people than Procore. So even if you are a smaller company, you can basically use CoConstruct. But Procore, I would say, is for bigger clients. Or if you're a bigger company, you can use Procore better other than CoConstruct, because I see like it's more of a do it yourself type of thing. But you don't have to fear. It can work in the hands of bigger companies as well. So for the pricing plans, the ramp plan, which is if you get a demo and you want to go through and through, you can get start with the ramp plan for 1 month. You can try it for $99. But after then, you have to go with a +5, +10, +15. In this case, CoConstruct is using the business plan of the active projects. So if you have 5 active projects at tops, you are paying $299 a month, but you have all the features. +10 and +15. Well, in +10 is 10 active projects, +15 is 15 active projects, but all the features. So that's kind of nice approach. Mainly if you are like a smaller company, but I can't really think of a bigger company of hundreds of people actually working only on 5 plans or 15 plans or projects. That's not going to work. And yeah, if you need unlimited, talk to the sales, but you know how it goes. It's also more expensive. So that's about it. If you have any questions, please leave them underneath this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you on the next one.